You know what?
It was a wubba bam.
You know what? I did this the last 2 videos. I'm gonna do it again. Internet, I'll be back.
As Russell and Lang finished in a tie for second, and it is the closest a Duke player has come since Jenny Shishiro born back in '98, and her runner-up. Where is Birdie Kim? Birdie Kim has gotten married and
Hello, people. I had to take care of some.
Come here.
Had to take care of some business,
No.
and hopefully he's not gonna be back for a while. And he's back. So.
Come on, we'll go out in the sunshine. Come on, Bella. Come on, go out in the sunshine. Come on.
Right, Sadie.
And also, please watch my videos, get a lot of views, please, it would be awesome. And have you noticed, it's just kind of playing out of that rubber band gun all the time. But I'm afraid rubber band is gone. He's not with us anymore. He's up in the big paperclip in the sky. Oh, also, please, just a little reminder, please you seriously need to get Red Dead Redemption. I mean, you're gonna lasso people, drag them on your horse, put them on your horse, just get it. It's awesome. I mean, I can play it 3 times, and I'm still whoa, mama. Get Red Dead Redemption, or you die today. Yeah, it's a BB gun. Okay. Goodbye.